Sorry, everyone. Okay, now let's play the eye with FF and Casey. Oh, and that's Musica.
Ay, tanda siya already. Labas.
And she has allergy to shrimp, so she has something. But don't worry, she is so good. She's just a monster.
Kung bakit ka naman
Okay.
Ay, nalaro ko na yun eh. Pag nakadaan ka nakuha ka eh. May hahabol sa'yo. Ay,
So,
hahabol na yun.
Vampira. So, we're going to...
Ano yung mahabol sa'yo na yun?
Vampira.
Ay, ewan.
Now, we're going to check where the vampire is. He's in the second floor near us. We're in the first floor. He's in the second floor. But don't worry, he's covered.
Matanggal? What did you say? Ay, hindi tayo mga...
Hey, there's an eye. And let's take the sandal, okay?
Eh, may vampiro.
Never mind. You know, this is FF's iPod. It's not mine.
Oh.
FF love the eye so much. Casey loved the eye too.
No, I hate vampire.
She's joking. FF is dal with music.
Dapat talaga ako na display. Buti nga pumunta, naghintay ako sa exit habang wala pa yung iba. Tapos nakita ko sila, nung naisipad ko, bumalik ko na mag-live. Nakita ko sila. Ganun takot.
Mag-ilang ba pag para habulin ka? Ilang kayo dapat yung
Hindi naman, depende yun eh.
kung may nakalagay na lang, gano'n. Nagulat naman ako parang ako ano.
No, he is in the basement
Magulang natin, isa natin.
and he's there. He's joking.
Sino may kasama dati?
I think he's near us.
Oo nga pala.
Oh, come on. Hindi mo. Oh,
Oo nga.
You want to go to
Tapos
the
yun,
bathroom?
I want to go away.
Asan ka na ba?
Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
Ano na siya?
Wala pa.
Parang.
Instinct.
Ayoko sa dyan sa taas, tapos sa baba. Parehas ng ayoko, kaya natakot ako.
Sa first floor, okay naman. Eh, sa second floor po.
Kung may nakita kang
Yeah,
ram,
sa
diba?
first floor.
Diba?
Oo.
Kung may nakita kang ram, tumakbo ka na siya.
Nasira nga eh.
Don't worry. Okay,
You'll be happy.
okay, don't worry, you'll be happy. When you see the vampire. And it's
Nakakadampi
scary.
yan gawin, matagal.
When you're gonna
Nakita yung
cry.
mukha ng vampire.
When Casey's
Kaya nga,
gonna see
dahan-dahan
this,
lang siya.
she'll cry and cry.
Wait.
Hindi, muntik na
That's
kasi
true.
nawawala yung word ko.
Oh, there's an eye.
Pero mahirap kasi nagtato.
Oh my, oh my.
Oh my God, 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 run, 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 may kamakalabas mo masal kasi diyan ka nagpunta, oh my God.
Lana.
Balikan mo.
Lana. No, he's not here. He's not here. He's not here.
Galaw yung bata, no?
He's not here.
Oh my God, malapit yun. Wego.
Oh, he's gonna get down to the first floor.
Kapanik yan? Or no?
No. But it's dangerous. Never mind.
Hindi ko nakita yung ano, vampire.
Oo nga.
Ay, pabalik pala tayo.
Paikot-ikot ka lang.
Di kaya, oh. Hi, Marilyn Monroe.
Matakot ako sa mga picture ng mukha mo, Miko, kasi. 10 eyes na lang.
Anong 10 eyes? The eye. Money bags yun. Malibag.
Malibag, marami ng libag.
Uy, there's an eye.
Gamitin mo nga yung eye.
Hindi ko gamitin mo na yung eye.
Loves
Oo
the
nga.
eye.
Pag may bad instinct ka, gamitin mo. Ay, game.
I don't have bad instinct right now. I have funny instinct. No! Oh no.
Saan? Saan?
Game yung nakasulat. Yes pala.
Nge.
Ayoko na niyan.
Naku, Miko. Nandito sa taas.
Nakakita lang kung hindi talaga.
Dito Christmas journey.
Oh. Miko, mag-eye ka na. Seryoso ako.
Ginamit mo na kanina yung eye, di ba?
Papanik ba siya?
Ay, hindi. Bakit?
Ay, papanik yan, Miko. Promise. Papanik yan. Dito Minecraft. Ano guys?
Bakit yun? Gusto mo po.
Ano yung mga jump scare?
Oh no, I'm scared. Like there's no light anymore. We don't have light.
Yan.